everyone, and welcome back to Factalicious Crafts. Today we're making amazing marbleized paper, and you can make it with any color, with any material. The materials are a ruler or a thick paper or something to scrape the shaving cream off, some thick paper, shaving cream of course, paint, or you could use food coloring or watercolor, and some popsicle sticks. Of course, you'll need a tray, any flat tray, or plate. Step 1 is to take your shaving cream, pop, and then spread it on your tray. Here's our shaving cream all on the plate. Now, the next step is a bit messy. You have to use your hand and spread out the shaving cream so it's at the same level. So just lightly, and just spread the shaving cream to all parts of the tray that are not faux. To take your popsicle stick or toothpick or pencil or anything and then kind of mix it around. So don't mix it too much, otherwise it's gonna not look good. So just mix, and it looks really pretty. So beautiful. It looks so pretty like this, but of course we can't just have a whole pile of shaving cream as our artwork. So the next step is to take your paper. Let's just put the popsicle stick to the side. You're gonna take your paper and then lightly dab it. Don't dab it too much, and then just kind of softly press it. Make little circles. Just let it go onto the paper. And now for the most exciting step, which we've all been waiting for. Okay, take your paper off, and look. It might look like a mess right now. Don't panic. It may look really bad right now, but once you scrape all the shaving cream off, it's gonna look amazing. Start from the edge of the paper and scrape it all off in one stroke. And your thing may get really messy, but don't worry, you'll wash it. Our marble art came out amazing. And at the end, I cut them into different shapes, like hearts, and I can even use them as a bookmark, and then little squares, and you can just keep them as rectangles as well. I hope you enjoyed making these marbleized papers. Bye!